If you have too many Facebook accounts and want to use all of them on the same Messenger app, today is your lucky day. I'm here to show you how to use multiple Facebook accounts on your Android Messenger app with some simple steps. The process will be detailed but short, so without wasting any more time, let's get into it. Step 1. Add an account. Open your Messenger app. Here, you will see a 3-line icon on the corner. Click on it, then tap on your profile picture. Now here, click on Add Account. You will see this prompt asking you to log in. Add your phone number or email here. Then add your Facebook password to log in. You should be able to get into your account right away. Now on to step 2. Switch between accounts. Open Messenger, tap the 3-line icon once again. Go back to the Switch Account section. Now tap on any account you want to switch to. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to have multiple Facebook accounts on the Messenger app of your Android device. If you still have any questions about switching accounts, just ask them in the comments section and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you next time.